Alright, this is a song that I wrote in Paris. A couple of the songs tonight I wrote just outside, like busking in Paris. Not the whole song, obviously, but just like the nucleus of it. So this is called I'm Not Bothered by the Rain. Waste of my time, spend a whole day watching water shine. I'll go to the movies, dark corner I'll find. The pictures I see give me an easy mind. I'm not bothered by the rain, bothered by the rain. Sitting in a cafe, watching people go by. Sitting by the window, I see the pages and pages the writer has tried. Stories that live in invisible lines. Yeah, I see that water and I see my life. I'm not bothered by the rain, bothered by the rain. Listening to itself go by, and the prettiest sounds are the orchestras inside. I'm not bothered by the rain, anytime it falls, like if I was on a train. It would take me on home, watching the time without missing its flight, forgetting the things that trouble my mind.